All right, it was supposed to be good morning because Mike was dilly-dallying around with the darn radar to install, but it's good afternoon. I don't know what time you're watching this, but I haven't seen a video of this. There's one guy I saw do like a quick little EDM drop montage of this, and then PSI has some drive-by videos with this, but I haven't seen anybody actually make a video of the mid-pipe install. This car's sold, getting picked up tomorrow, and part of my agreement with the guy is like, can I make a video on the mid-pipe? Well, what I didn't realize is I have an Acura exhaust. If you're local to me, somewhere in Central Florida, I'll sell you the Acura at my cost. There was just like a couple $1,000 less than normal. But this is the version, so there's two versions of the mid-pipe. There is the version for the stock exhaust, which we're gonna cut, and there's a version for the Acura. So we're gonna take the exhaust off, cut it, install it, and go do some flybys. We'll do the flybys in a separate video, so don't panic. We'll put it in the description. You'll be able to go see it. And then this, the pig nose is going on to the next gentleman. It's leaving my possession. So this should be taking off the exhaust grommets, detach the bolts from the downpipes.
Part of the crossover stays, I believe. So it's this flange, all the hangers. This side, obviously where it says PSI goes here.
So this mid-pipe is a resonate, delete. Is there a resonator on there, or is it just cat?
This and this, they're getting deleted.
Yeah, so it's deleting these mid mufflers and deleting the secondary cats.
Secondary cats.
But there's no CEL on this, so this, and I mean, this stock exhaust is pretty darn robust. So I don't blame them for hanging on to this rear section. I think it's going to sound fine. The only thing that's a little weird is this little pancake section right here.
Yeah, I have a feeling we cut it probably here somewhere because these are nice and round. They send a 3-inch clamp and a 2 3/4 clamp.
Yeah, so if you cut it a little bit wrong, you're okay?
No, I think that, no, not that. I think their stuff's 3-inch, so we couple their stuff together, it's 3 to 3.
Got it.
But the BMW stuff's 2 3/4, so they have a reducer.
Neck down,
a little neck down at the end.
Okay, all right, well, let's detach. Let's take our...
I mean, we can certainly pull the whole thing down, set on the ground, and bolt this together.
I think that's the way to go.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you bolt it up.
Because this is all one piece.
The only video I've seen was that.
All right, well, let's do it that way then.
All right, so I'll pop the exhaust valves off. Theoretically, I'm not going to say it. This should be a quick install.
It will be. Be quicker than me doing this.
I sure hope it's not that bad.
Hey.
I got a lot done though. I was doing some real organizing.
Quality takes time, pal.
Selling some stuff. That's good. All right, I'm done.
Sit down.
Let me take a break.
Did you do flyby stock to compare?
Nope.
Nope.
There's plenty of that
right.
online, so I'm not worried about doing those kind of videos. This car is dead to me. As soon as that 120 G's enters my account here this afternoon. Now, just because it's dead to me doesn't mean I'm going to take great care of it. I washed it this weekend.
You did. And
I even covered it in some bed sheets.
I saw that.
Trying to get us so much pollen right now.
Yeah.
So and the car is so slick, like the bed sheet would just fall. I couldn't even get around to the other side, so I had to try to jam it in the door. And,
yeah.
And it just fell right off.
And I saw someone left your door open yesterday. I came over there with leaves all over the floor, and your sheets were disheveled.
Not someone, Michelle, guaranteed. There's no one else.
I don't think it was her. I think it was someone else. Mm-hmm. It wasn't me.
There is no one else.
Well, what about the gardener?
Nope.
No? All right. Sorry, Michelle. I tried to save you.
All right, let me get my grommet puller. It's the one tool.
That's a good one.
First 10 years of my life.
You went without it? Using pry bars and
from
everything?
16 to 26 probably, and then I finally got one. They're like $18. You know. Not only that, I was trying to do it on the on your back on some ramps.
so nice is it's brand new. It's only got 100 miles on it.
I mean, this stock exhaust is nice, man.
It is. It's well
Wow.
made.
I don't think I've ever seen BMW or any companies have stainless bolts on their stock exhaust.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
So we just have this hanger that's hanging it up and the back too.
Yeah.
And then we got to take the 13s out of the...
I think it's easier, yeah, rather than take the darn hanger off, just take the bolts out, right?
That's what I usually do.
Yeah.
Do you have the...
This is nice, working on cars like this.
Oh my gosh. How many years I laid in the driveway doing stuff like this?
Greased up.
Yep. With 6 inches of room between my shoulder and the bottom of the car.
Stinky old car.
Yeah.
That's pretty light, actually, for stock exhaust.
Now this end's probably heavier than that end.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean,
God, that's huge. Look at this thing.
well, that's the whole exhaust. That goes all
Yeah,
the way
but
to
I mean, it still goes another 4 feet. This car is a freaking monster.
It's big. Yeah, it's big. Okay, so I guess we'll slide those together. We know that that's this side.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna do some eyeballing,
Yeah.
some close enough.
Well, we can get it pretty close, I think. Eyeball it with this bolt hole right there.
So then this, I think it's this way, right?
It looks like it because it's got to be.
see,
It has to be. Yeah, because it's offset that way. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Because now the angles are right.
Yep. Okay. So let's put our
Yeah, that's 3 inch to 3
cuffs
inch.
on.
Now we can cut it.
Long.
Well, you don't because these are going to take up. I mean, as long as we're in there,
Yep.
they don't need to necessarily butt up to each other as long
Right.
as we're within a 1/4 inch or something.
Right.
So we can cut it, and then if we're off just a little bit, we can trim a little more. Well, if we're going to use the grinder, we need to get your car out of here.
Yeah.
We can use a Sawzall, but it's going to be
Dirty.
Yeah.
We get a little douche montage of the car slowly rolling out. old handheld Sony A7 3B roll that all those dorks on YouTube do.
It's like the luck package.
Yeah. Freaking dorks. I like this precision.
And then there. That's the same. There we go.
God dang.
It's pretty heavy. That's why I put that other thing back. There you go.
Yeah, way cleaners than.
So does he want this or no?
No.
Okay. So we have some new gaskets. You want to use them, right?
Not as well.
Oh, we can give them to the guy. These.
These are brand spanking new.
I know they are.
That's the part people are missing. Like, I drove the thing on the track for 2 days.
Yep.
I just knew. I knew when I was there.
Yeah.
And then when it got here, I'm like,
Well, I mean, everybody thinks you're getting rid of it because of how it drives. I mean, it's more about how it looks than anything.
yeah, it's the whole package.
It's just a big girl.
Yeah, it's too
They
big.
disguise it best they can with more power, but it still feels like a big old car. Like I feel like I drove my F80 yesterday, and then I hopped in this morning. This feels like a big car compared to my F80.
I'm telling you, those are the nicest.
Well, I think it's
Exhaust.
because they're brand new too.
I don't know.
When's the last
I've
time
never
you-
seen stainless. They always do like zinc.
Come
Or
on,
like-
that way.
They always do some cheap copper.
Yeah.
I guess the
These
copper
are-
wouldn't be cheap, but
These are super nice, you're right. Okay, so ratchet.
maybe I should keep it.
Maybe you should keep it, so he said.
Yeah.
Make all the G80 bros happy.
Keep it. I mean,
You've been dissing their car. Ever since you got it, giving him a complex. What do you think?
Why does that not seem right? I guess that's the way it goes.
Well, yeah, the dimple goes up because it centers in a spot right here.
It definitely goes up.
Yeah.
This is the way to go. Take the whole thing out. It takes frickin' 2 seconds. They're trying to cut it on the car. Look at that. It's a pretty darn good package deal. It's a good service that I'm running here. This charity.
Yeah.
Right?
Selling the car at a discount.
Yeah, and doing all the work. Yeah.
Yep. Oop. I'll take it. Actually, this guy was smart. He bought it for what it's worth.
Yeah.
And didn't have to touch it. He just gets to enjoy it. And his labor was all free.
Yeah, he'll probably flip it for 20K over what I sold it to him for, but I don't care. I just want to repent for my sins.
Lower.
But I got to do all the fun part, all the part that I like to do.
Unboxing all the parts.
Yeah.
Ranting about what a pile it is. Just stick it in the middle for now. Snug it up. Okay. I think those are 13s.
Come my way.
We can just kind of, with the pipe, I think we should put the pipe jack here, just leave it loose for now until we get the rear section on, then snug everything up. Looks right, go up. Then I'll get this one on.
I'm hanging.
Come on down now. So, I think we can make sure they're centered. Let me get a tape measure. This clamp is 3.5, so we need 1 3/4. Okay, that's it. I'll tighten that up.
Wipe it down with a little WD-40, otherwise all those fingerprints will be there permanently. We need to get that stuff that the TIG brush company has that he was talking about. M50 or something like that it's called.
It gets all the oils off of everything.
Yeah. Yeah, about the only thing that'll make this better is Acura. He should have done that.
I think so.
But I mean, it's a lot of money.
I know. Been there, done that.
Feel good. Feel complete. Real complete. Yeah, that's a wrap. It takes like 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna take that thing, throw it in the trash. Super simple. Obviously, it would take you probably 2.5 hours if you don't have a lift. You're laying on your back, on jack ramp or jack stands, all that kind of stuff. But we're gonna go do a separate video, do some flybys, and then we'll say bon voyage to the old purple pig nose. Yeah, I mean, it does look pretty complete though. If it, it's as good as it could be, I think. Acura exhaust is up there. Hit me up if you want to buy it, depending on when you're watching this video. If it's 2 years from now, I probably don't have it. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll put links back to the flyby video, so we'll do that this afternoon. Thanks for watching.